Look at all those water spots. Hola, bienvenidos. Today, we're gonna show you guys the quickest and easiest way to wax your entire car only using one product, Insta Wax. Now, Insta Wax is actually one of our slept on products, to be honest. Now, this product does incredibly well. It's a sprayable Carnauba wax. So don't get it confused with the spray wax. This isn't a spray, wipe, and you're done. This is actually a sprayable Carnauba wax. So if you ever imagine something like our butter wet wax, it's like a creamy wax. You apply it, it goes on like a cream, and then it hazes, and then you just buff it right off. Insta Wax works exactly like that, but just a lot faster, hence Insta. So before you use it, you want to make sure that you shake the product very thoroughly. So you'll see that the wax is actually at the very bottom, and then you also have the sealant mix on the top. So in order to activate this reaction, you want to make sure to shake it up. So make sure to stir the product, shake it up very well. And you want to do this up until the product becomes one solid color. So you don't want to do it if you notice like there's kind of like mismatched colors, you have like little globs of like gold and yellow here, just make sure to thoroughly shake it up and you'll be all good to go. So once it looks like this, that's how you know you're all ready. The only other product that you'll need is a microfiber applicator and some microfiber towels. Now, before you use your applicator, you want to make sure to take off the tag, that way it doesn't cause any damage, and just go ahead and just store that away. And then the great thing about this product is that it's sprayable. Now, don't get it confused with, like I said, a spray wax. So you don't want to just spray this directly onto the surface because this product actually creates a heavy and thick haze. So what I mean by that is, I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm going to spray directly onto a microfiber applicator. Now, I'm not going to go crazy with the spray. I'm going to apply maybe 2 to 3 sprays, and then I'm going to work that in and apply more if need be. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just start with 2. So, let me prime that up. 1, 2. And then we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. And then I'm going to start applying it to this fender right here. So you'll see as soon as you start applying it, you'll notice that the product goes on very smooth and it also starts flashing right away. So that flashing point, that's basically just letting you know that the Carnauba wax is already drying up and ready to be wiped off. So, if you guys have ever applied a wax yourselves, the Carnauba wax, you'll know that, when you apply it, it starts kind of hazing up. And then when it fully hazes up, that's how it lets you know that it's ready to be wiped off. All right, so we just finished applying Insta Wax to the fender and check it out. It's already done and ready to be wiped off. And a pro tip for you guys who don't know this already, if you get your finger and you wipe straight through it and it removes entirely, that's how it lets you know that it's ready to be wiped off. Now we're just gonna grab a microfiber towel and just wipe off the wax residue from Insta Wax. And believe it or not, just like that, within 30 seconds to a minute, you've applied a durable, long-lasting layer of Carnauba wax shine and sealant protection. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what a sealant is basically a synthetic wax. So just think of wax, just super saiyan. A sealant is just a synthetic wax, so it's just designed to provide more durable protection than a traditional wax, but with this product, we've combined the best of both worlds. We've combined the oils of Carnauba with the durability of a sealant to create the longest lasting, shiniest wax that you'll ever use in your life. All right, so now that we're done wiping off the wax from the fender, now it's time to do the rest of the vehicle. But before we do that, I actually want to show you guys and demonstrate to you guys how fast this actually is to do on your own vehicle. So to do that, we're going to put a timer and just time how long it takes us to apply the wax and remove it. Start the clock. Just so you know we're not capping. All right, now we finished waxing it. Now it's time to remove it. So check in, 6:55, right at the 7-minute mark. We finished waxing the entire BMW. Now it's time to wipe it off. Let's see if we can get 7 minutes or less than that. call it there. Set my towel down. I'm gonna pull out my stopwatch, and hey, would you look at that? 14 minutes. Is this in focus? There you go. Oh, that's how long it takes to wax your car and remove it with Insta Wax. In 14 minutes, you yourself can wax your entire car and remove it with our Insta Wax, combining the best of both worlds, wax and sealant in one, durable protection, Carnauba shine into one product. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys want to pick up your very own bottle of Insta Wax, you can pick it up directly on our website at chemicalguys.com, or you can check out the description down below. There'll be links to all the products that we use, including the applicators and towels in there. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, and I'll see you guys next time. No cap here.